Hello, everyone. Welcome to Project Likkutei Torah summary shir for daf 61, page 61 of the book of Bamidbar, Parshas Chukas. And we are explaining how the red heifer ceremony process of this mitzvah involves the throwing in the cedar and hyssop branch into the fire, which alludes to the refining the emotional attributes of the animal soul. This is understood in the explanation of the Zohar of Kabbalah that the Ares, the cedar tree, represents stiffness and not being able to be pliable, which represents the idea of the emotional attributes in the world of Tohu, which are such strong emotional attributes, they're not able to tolerate each other because they're so strong. However, the Hyssop is a very pliable, small branch of tree that is able to tolerate, more connected to the idea of tikun and inter-inclusivity. And that's why we need to throw both into the fire, which represents this idea of self-nullification. Now, the next mimer with the same title explores the theme of the paraduma representing leaving Egypt, this red heifer representing leaving Egypt, which specifically we bring down that through the faith of the Jewish people and Hashem, that's what caused to be meritorious of leaving Egypt. And through this, specifically through this Mesiras Nefesh, this self-sacrifice that we proclaim every day in the Shema, we're able to reach these high levels of leaving Egypt, specifically the idea of Pesach, which is the idea of skipping. And we ask, well, why do we read this, the section of the red heifer right before Passover? Because the red heifer represents a very low level, which represents the idea of purification of the Jewish people in order to be prepared to leave Mitzrayim, to leave Egypt, and to purify us. And then we can reach this level to the idea of the source of the living waters to bring this concept of Moshe, which represents the idea of drawing down from the waters, into an intellectual way. And then we also learned another mimer, the very last mimer that we learned, a very short mimer of the sprinkling of the waters, purification waters, which analyzes why specifically in the third and seventh day were the water sprinkled. The third day represents mercy, rachamim, which ascends to Ceder, the highest level within the Sefirot, which is connected to Yaakov, our patriarch. And the seventh day represents the self-nullification of Malchus, at the lowest level of the Sefirot, which also reaches the same center pillar within the Sefirot, which ascends all the way to the highest. And therefore, this purification of the impurity caused by death, this happens through the breaking of the vessels of Tohu, which is from the level of das, of understanding. But it is also through the level of Malchus, which is the seventh level, which corresponds to Moshe, so you need really both the third and the seventh in order to create this purification process. And I hope you are able to learn the whole thing inside. And I wish you a wonderful day and hope you tune in again very soon. Have a wonderful day.